Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and literally just a second ago I realized that I could make a vlog because Kalila and I are going to the park today because I'm knitting my slipover. I'll show you guys later. But I realized I could literally vlog and post a video instead of just, you know, letting the day go by without filming anything. And so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm honestly just chilling right now. I'm reading on my Kindle. It's 9:14 right now, so I'm just chilling. Kalila's editing because I don't even know why I even said that. Anyway, but after I finish reading and chilling and eating breakfast and all that stuff, I don't know what time we're going to the park. I don't know, but we'll see. But I'll be working. Oh my gosh, no, my needle stoppers came off. Anyway, I'm working on this slip over. I'm working on this slip over, and it looks like this. It's the Stockholm slip over by Petite, and I have like 7 more inches to go before I'm done with it. So that's what I'm gonna be working on in this video. It's just going to be like a nice short little vlog, just because, you know, that's my day, honestly. So I'm going to continue reading for now, and then whatever else is going to be in a vlog will be in a vlog, and that'll be that. So let's get it. Okay guys, so we're headed to the park right now. It's super hot. It's like 97 or 95 degrees. Yes, crazy. I know, crazy. But anyway, we're headed to the park. I have my bag that I'm actually going to show you guys because you haven't seen my messenger bag that I made. So when we sit down, I'll show you guys that beautiful creation. And then I'll start knitting. Kalila's here. And it's hot already. But I can't speak. Goodbye. Here's the park. Okay guys, it's super windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But we're at the park right now, and I'm going to show you guys the bag, the messenger bag that I made and haven't shown you guys. I made this a while ago, not a while ago. Anyway, it doesn't even matter. So this is my crochet messenger bag I made. I made this using the knit stitch, so it kind of looks knitted. You know, it doesn't give that like crochet look. It looks like super knitty because I used the knit stitch, and then I attached straps and buckles, and where's the strap? The strap. And so it's like this. And then you can, well, I made it so I can make it higher, like an actual purse. So you just adjust it, and then boom, it's a purse. And yeah, so it's 10 inches wide. I know that because I can fit my 10-inch iPad inside of it, and I also had this project inside of it too, but I took it out because I'm about to start knitting with it. Anyway, I'm going to make a tutorial on this messenger bag when all of my materials come in, because I ordered the yarn, but it's not coming in until tomorrow. So yeah, but that'll be today when you guys watch it. So it's not coming in until today, so you guys will see it in a few days. But this is the bag I'm going to make a tutorial on. You guys will know exactly how to make this bag in a few days. So this is my most recent project. I'm super, super proud of it. I was actually going to do like a crochet with me making this bag, but I was like, this is too cute, and I want you guys to be able to make it yourself. So I'm going to make a tutorial on how to make this messenger bag. So that's going to be so fun to do, and I'm glad you guys will be able to make your own. Anyway, it's time to knit now. Hopefully you guys can hear me because it's so windy, and yeah. So I'm currently knitting the Stockholm slipover. I said that already. It looks like this so far. This is the end of the vlog. It's the next day, but I forgot to do an outro. But it was super windy anyway. But anyway, this is the end. Thank you guys for watching this video. And blah, 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 blah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!